Hi everybody, this is a video to illustrate how to use Mathematica to calculate unknown angles in your lab exercise. This is just an example. So right here what we see is a 1 kilogram weight is attached to a string, and that string is splits, and we can read the values for the force acting in each string. 3 newtons, 9 newtons. So all I need for now is just draw these lines. So this is 3 newtons, 9 newtons, and this is a 1 kilogram weight. Now I don't need this anymore. Now I need a ruler to draw these lines accurately. All right. What angles do we need to calculate? Well, this is the vertical direction, so we can call it y-axis. And these are the angles we need to find. Let's call it alpha, beta.